Well, we're back. Last night we heard screams. My dumbass didn't fucking push the record button. Tomorrow, I'm going to come here alone, hopefully tomorrow, and bring the Ouija board here. Let's just go to the other creek. This is like fucking quicksand. Oh my god, I got a severe fucking headache.
Right down there, right?
Yeah. Want to look under these rocks for salamanders?
A lot of these rocks are probably stuck in the ground. Some of them are just stuck in the ground. They're just really heavy. And we also do have to put them back if we flip them.
We don't have to do that. That's a choice. She really lugging that fucking speaker with her.
Oh shit! That's an elephant ant, bro.
Let me see.
Those big red things, those are elephant ants. Those fucking kill you. They kill elephants.
Well, lift up the rock so I can see.
I'm not trying to fucking get bit by that thing.
You ain't gonna get fucking bit, you wuss. There's nothing even under there, bro. I think you're delusional.
Nah, I'm not. I definitely seen it. I think I might have crashed it lifting it back up. Now this is where me and Dalton went. We went right down here.
Here, take the selfie camera and see what's under these rocks and find salamanders.
Going down there alone, bro.
Dude, it's during the day. Are you that much of a pansy?
Nah, bro, there's a lot of water there, man.
It's cold. There's a path right there to go around. This dude.
You're wearing heavier clothes, so why would I be going though?
How are you wearing heavier clothes? These are fucking
No, I
thick.
said you are.
And?
Wearing sandals. I'll probably get bit by ticks if I go down.
I'll take the camera. You want to get some footage?
Ew. Huh? What?
She's all bitching about you
What?
wearing shorts or whatever. So what do you expect? Ticks are going to be anywhere you go. Ticks are literally going to be everywhere you go. Like, what the fuck? This is the last time I'm climbing over these rocks. Okay, then let's go over to the train track area. So, today is going to be fucking weird. I don't know how long this vlog's going to be. I'm hoping it's a long one. I'm hoping I come across a scream so I can literally chase after the person that's in help. Or that needs help, or whatever. But today we're just exploring for now.
Yeah, let's see what we can find. Maybe some salamanders would be cool.
I literally sleep with...
Look at how shallow that is.
I literally sleep with an Ouija board by my bed. Like,
You
I'm not
could
even making it
literally
up.
walk in there, actually choosing certain catch, fucking baby fish.
You would actually walk in there. You're telling me you would walk in there, but you wouldn't jump in the deepest part?
Not these things there. I'm just saying, there's probably fucking gators and shit down there.
Me? I literally would switch out the case with this waterproof case and literally swim in there with the camera. Gators or no gators, I wouldn't give a damn. Alright, let's continue. Just relying on this camera until my camcorder gets here. I heard water splash. Okay, let's go. He probably just threw his pole into the water. We're literally just walking through the woods right now. We're not going over there. We're not walking the tracks. Not today, but maybe I'll do it tomorrow or something.
We got a whole path down that way.
That's what I'm saying. I told you I seen a path.
Yeah, I knew there was a path down to go down this way.
You know what I was thinking? I was thinking we could prank them and do you have your phone?
Yeah.
That whistle scare.
I don't even know it was us. We just walked in.
They don't know we're going down this way. We told them we were just going right through. That's it. Whoa, 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 whoa.
What?
That's amazing. Dude, we gotta walk down that way. After this way, of course. I didn't see the path going that way. All I seen was the path going this way.
No, we can do that tomorrow, though.
What?
We'll walk down there tomorrow when we come.
I'm actually kind of curious on where it goes.
Yeah,
I might try. Hey, I'm gonna travel that alone then. I want to actually find out how far that goes. Don't forget to look for animals, and if you see any, let me know so I can film it. Because today's just a relaxing day of a vlog, and I really hope you guys are entertained. We're just doing a normal vlog today, no paranormal activities, hunting.
Well, we hope no paranormal.
I do, I hope so. Just because you can catch on camera and document it, you know? I did hear a scream. I wonder, this is what I was looking at. Like, what the fuck could have knocked this down?
There.
There's no way. It looks like somebody sawed it, though.
Maybe, I
That wasn't them. That came down further down this path. But it looks like it ends right here, though. I'm gonna scare him. I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna fucking scream. How close am I? Dude, what? I didn't know you could enter from this way. That's cool. Wait, where are they? Where are they? Scream. I'll stay back here.
Brother, you can't see it. There's a spider.
We'll just do it from here then.
Let's come up this way.
I'm trying to freak him out. Ooh. Peekaboo! Did we scare you a little? Damn it. It didn't work. It was worth a try in the vlog, man. Huh?
I thought it ended. There's still a little bit more. We just couldn't see it because those trees right there. We literally just couldn't see it, but there is still more.
Does that thing it ends right there though, doesn't it?
Right down there at the end, yeah.
Damn, we traveled far. I didn't know it would go back this far. I thought it ended right there. I guess we had to just do a little.
Oh.
What are you doing? Okay, I'm back again. As you can see, they're all over there. I'm going alone. This is going to be interesting. I think I'm going to try to scare him a second time, but this time I'm alone. I'm going to see if I can find a rock and just throw it. Every time, every vlog, I swear, this is like the second vlog in a row, I had to fart. Nah, I'm scared. I'll have to see. Holy shit. Dude, this is cool. It's like a little inlet. Whew. That kind of stung a little bit. Squirrel. Not sure if you guys can see it on camera. How far does this go? Don't want to keep getting. I'm far away from them. Oh shit. Oh shit. Somebody's following me. What the fuck? Holy shit, somebody's following me. What the fuck was that? Ooh, somebody was following me. I think he caught something. Nah. Anyway. No fucking way. Somebody, were you one of you following me from that way? Yeah, no, all three of you are here. Then who the fuck was chasing me in the woods? Somebody was chasing me through the woods. If I had protection, I'd fucking go back. Huh? It's self-defense.
Just give him a left, right, good night.
Nah, because my shit's on me. My DNA's on my brain.
Well, now mine is.
I'm joking. Smack him with the selfie.
I'm going after him. I'm going to film this. I don't care.
Well, we're about to be leaving.
Where to?
Bushy.
Let me go see who this is real quick. I feel like one of you guys are pranking me right now. But it's impossible that either any of you were following me from that way.
We've been here the whole time, buddy.
I'm going to go find out real quick.
We just got off the ground.
So it was none of you? I'm going to go find out real quick. No, I'm chasing them down. I'm not one for hurting people, but if they're aggressive, then I will hurt them. All three of them were there, so how was it one of them? I got self-defense weapon in case. I'm gonna track them down. They're gone. What the? It could have been an animal, but better safe than sorry. It's about to get really fucking loud here because I heard a train. Dude, they're still sitting there. I'm keeping the camera pointed to you behind me. I think I chased them off. So I heard the trees bustling. That's because the camera picked up on it though. We're gonna travel to a new place. We're gonna go to Selfie Park. Dude, what the fuck? What the fuck? Dude, let's get them up. Don't they know I have a knife? I'm not afraid to use it either. Self-defense. Whoever it was, I chased them off. I'm not one for love. I'm gonna review that footage later tonight. So we'll be back to the next area. Dude, look at the view. Not sure if I can get the view, but Selfie. Alright, I'm going down to the sand. Oh, it's cold down here, holy crap. This is crazy. You want me to wait? I want to wait for you guys. I mean, it'd only be fair. It'd only be fair if I wait. Oh, man. Whew, it's colder than I thought. I might not go in the water. Damn. I'm like literally cold. I'm not even sure if I'm going in the water. Yeah, I know. That sky looks nasty. I don't even know if I want to go in the water. It's kind of cold down here. I'm gonna go down this way, away from the pier.
I mean, hey, if anything, we can leave from here early, and then just fucking hit Mayford all the way home and finish a little.
We don't have the poles. I'm gonna see how warm the water is.
Not warm at all, but if you're ready, don't leave it just sitting there.
I always leave my stuff there.
Down here.
Well, you gotta remember, I leave my stuff up high because the water comes up at night. I'm not taking any chances because I got my phone up there. Obviously, I'm not leaving my phone in my pocket. Oh my god! Oh, that's cold. Oh! Oh! How can people swim in this? Oh my god! Hey, is that a $50? Oh. Nope. It's actually not that bad once you're used to it. Holy fuck! Oh my god, that's cold. Ah! Oh, this is cold. gotta pee, I do now. It's not that bad. I don't want to get my shirt wet. Oh, I have a towel. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna try to go all the way out. It is recording. I'm not going I'm not going out there for nothing. Oh, it's cold. Woo! Let's stop. Ah! Woo! Oh, that's cold on my nuts. That is cold on my nuts. Ah! Woo! Keep going. Ah. Well, I might as well take a piss. Ah! Oh. Woo! Oh, it's cold. It's not that bad. Woo! You want me to go under? I'll go under. It's not bad at all. Woo! Come on in. It's not bad. Oh shit! Screw it, I'm going under. Ah! Come on now! Oh. Oh shit! It's not raining. Woo! Oh, I got that on camera.
Did it feel good?
That's cold as fuck at first, but oh, it's good. It's warm as fuck. Stay up here for a few and let the lightning die down.
What the what?
Let the lightning get out of here real quick.
What lightning?
You didn't see the lightning up there?
It's lightning and the fucking over so I can chase it.
Maybe I'm seeing shit. I didn't see no lightning. Well, I'm trying to figure out what the fuck she's talking about. Yeah, so yeah, it is definitely. But just watch up there.
Shut the fuck.
Ever heard about the chicken crossing the road? I'm about to ruin your whole territory. Get out of here. You damn birds. Look at them. They're everywhere. Oh.
Hey guys, just letting you know, thanks for watching the vlog, and hope you enjoyed. There's gonna be more tomorrow. Later.